Hey, all my dear friends out there. Today, I'm going to share a recipe with y'all that came out of Cooking with Paula Deen magazine. And, you know, it's a perfect Easter dish because I'm going to share our recipe with baby carrots because you're so synonymous with a baby rabbit. And baby rabbits eat carrots. So see, it's all kind of kin, isn't it? So let me cut on this eye. And I'm going to start by melting half a stick of butter. Oh, so let me tell y'all. Maybe one of y'all can help me. Phyllis Diller is crowing like a rooster. We could not believe the first time we went out there, or I heard her, the last day or two since getting back from our trip.
I heard her at 6 a.m. this morning.
She may be Phil.
Oh.
Her name may be Phil instead of Phyllis.
I'm sure the neighbors.
So what kind of chicken is she? She's
a Polish chicken.
A Polish chicken. So Eddie immediately went onto the internet. Right, I'm putting my garlic in, y'all, and my shallots. So Eddie immediately went on the internet to find out, do female chickens actually crow? Well, it turns out that a Polish chicken can crow. A female Polish chicken can crow.
Wow.
As a protection mode. If they're being picked on,
Phyllis gets picked on.
Yes. Well, they pulled every one of her hairs that stick up.
Yeah, they're mean.
Almost every one of her. Okay, so just for a couple of minutes on this, y'all. I'm going to be careful because garlic will burn on you. Once it burns, I have to throw it out. All right, so I'm going to add 2 cups of orange juice. So this is going to be a wonderful, wonderful glaze, y'all. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper. And if you're feeding young ones on Easter, you may want to leave out the pepper. All right, now I'm adding the honey is our sweetener. And hopefully the honey will help make this kind of sticky. So right here we're gonna cut because this is probably gonna take about 12 to 15 minutes to reduce down to a cup and a half. And you're gonna wanna stir it occasionally. So when it's the appropriate stage, then we'll come back and we'll finish. But while that's doing, while we're breaking, I think I'm gonna go ahead and take our carrots and spread them on our sheet pan and go ahead and toss them with the olive oil. And we'll have that done. So when that's ready, we'll be ready. Okie dokie. So we'll see y'all back when this is right. All right, so I'm gonna toss them in some olive oil, and then I'm gonna throw them in the oven for about 10 minutes while our sauce is thickening up. Okay, y'all, it probably took a good 15 minutes. Wouldn't you say, Teresa?
Yes.
For this to reduce, and I actually reduced it down a little bit under a cup and a half because I do want this glaze to be able to do what it's capable of. And that's kind of getting to a sticky stage, I hope. As you can see, it start to coat the spoon. Oh my gosh, these are gonna be so good. You want to just stir them around a little bit. Make make sure they're all coated. So we were fine reducing it a little bit more than a cup and a half. Yay.
And they've already cooked for 10
I'll
minutes.
just borrow one of these. I washed these yesterday or day before yesterday. They had so much grease on them. I'm just spreading that out a little bit, trying to get some down there in that corner. Oh, yeah. So 10 more minutes and they'll be maybe some of the best carrots you've ever put in your mouth. Said the Easter Bunny. So y'all, our carrots went back in the oven after I put the orange juice mixture back on it, and look, they are perfect. They are so beautiful. And I mean, they're just out of the oven and they're still hot as a firecracker. But I couldn't wait. These are so delicious. And the carrots held its integrity because there's not a load of sugar, just a little bit of God's honey. Mm-hmm. They are wonderful. So Easter's on its way. Hippity hoppity, Easter's on its way.
And you're gonna have 100 bunnies when it's all said and done.
Yeah, probably. But please try these for your Easter meal. You won't be disappointed. And go right by the directions. And they will be perfect every time. And hopefully this will help remind us of what Easter is all about. It's really not all about Bugs Bunny. It's about our renewed life. Enjoy, y'all. Be blessed.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.